In this video, we are going to learn how to use line command in Siemens NX. I am currently in the sketch environment, and if you want to know how to get to the sketch environment, you can see my video on how to get into sketch environment in Siemens NX. I will attach the link of that particular video in the I button so that you can click on the I button and reach to that video. Now, once you have completed to watch that video that how to get into the sketcher, you can continue from here. Now, let's go to the line. And here, once the line has been activated, you will get the option of input method. The very first one is the coordinate mode. Like we have the coordinates, like some value for the x, some value for the y. Like on the graph paper, we have certain points. So similarly, this is going to be act like same. We have these similar x coordinates, y coordinates, like you can see in the status bar. It is showing me the position of my cursor, that currently where my cursor is. Like you can see, it is in the positive x coordinate but negative y coordinate. Now you can see in the first quadrant, these both are going to be positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. And here both are negative, but here in this case, x is positive and y is negative. So this is just for the generalization, like how this coordinate is working. Now, I want the very start of this line from the origin. So, the coordinate must be 0, 0, like here. So, just click here, just a single click. And once you get this window, like sometimes software asks you that what selection you want to make. So, you do not have to press escape or do not get worried about this, that what is this. You just simply have to click on existing point sketch origin. Just have a left click on this, and then you can see a line will be there, but only the start point. We have to just define the end point also for the line. So for this, we have two methods, like either to choose the coordinate system, like you can see in the status bar, we are getting the option of x coordinate and y coordinate. Like here, you can also enter the value, like if I just enter as 500 in the x coordinate, and in the y coordinate, I'm going to enter the 300. I have pressed the tab to switch the coordinate, like from x coordinate to y coordinate. So you can see this is how the line has been formed. Now, if you want to get out of the command, then you can press escape or just press MB3. MB3 is the scroll bar button. So this is how we can use the line using the coordinate system. Now we are going to make the line using the parameter system. So just come here, like existing point, and have a click here. But before clicking, in the case of x coordinate, it will ask you for the coordinates. But in the case of parameter, it will ask you for the length and the angle. So I'm going to give the length as 500 and angle as 120. So you can see I have defined the angle along with the length, and these has been reflected to the graphics window. So this is the privilege of using the parameter, as if you are going to define the parameter, it will show us the dimensions in the graphics window. Now I'm going to dimension this line. So how to give the dimension in Siemens NX? Just simply click on the line and it will show you the related dimensions with respect to the line. I'm not going into the special command of dimensioning because this is not the dedicated tutorial for that. This is the dedicated tutorial for the line, that how we can form the line in case we want the angle between this line and the horizontal line. So for that, just select this line and then select this line without holding the control key. You just have to simply click on that. Now you can see the dimension cannot be added because it will be over defined. Like you can see the sketch is already fully defined, so I'm just deleting it. So this is how we can use the line command along with the dimension. For dimension, we have not gone into the special command of dimension, just had some few clicks, like I have selected this line and then select this line. So it will show the dimension. And after that, just click on this to edit it. So currently the sketch is fully defined. So this is all in this tutorial, like how to define the line, how to make the line using the coordinate mode, and how to make the line using the parameter mode. And in the parameter mode, we have seen that we will get the dimension if we define that before making the line. So this is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this tutorial. Please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.